Hello and welcome. Today, we're setting you on a path to a more productive morning routine. A strong start each day can dramatically boost your productivity and overall well-being. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Wake up early. Try to rise at the same time each morning. Setting a consistent wake-up time helps regulate your internal clock, giving you more energy to manage your day. Step 2. Kickstart your morning with a stretch or a brief workout. A few minutes of yoga, a quick jog, or simple stretches can awaken your body and lift your alertness. It's the perfect energizer to get you motivated. Step 3. Fuel up with a healthy breakfast. Go for energy-boosting foods like oatmeal, fruits, or a smoothie. A nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive day ahead. Step 4. Set your goals for the day. Take a few moments to jot down your to-do list and prioritize tasks. Staying organized helps to maintain focus and drive throughout the day. Step 5. Steer clear of distractions. Switch your phone to Do Not Disturb and create a calming workspace. Tackle your top tasks first thing when you're freshest and most focused. And there you have it, your guide to crafting a productive morning routine. We hope these tips set you off on the right track. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and share your morning routine in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day ahead.